Crash course on Costa Rica, wellness and relaxation. Costa Rica, with its stunning natural beauty and commitment to sustainability, is a haven for wellness and relaxation. The country's lush rainforests, pristine beaches, and tranquil retreats provide the perfect backdrop for rejuvenation and self-care. In this crash course, we'll explore the concept of wellness, share captivating stories and examples, list and describe the top 12 wellness and relaxation experiences in Costa Rica, and conclude with a soothing poem and a melodic song dedicated to this topic. Wellness is a holistic approach to health that encompasses physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Costa Rica offers a wide range of experiences that promote relaxation, inner harmony, and connection with nature. Whether it's indulging in spa treatments, practicing yoga in serene settings, or immersing oneself in the healing power of natural hot springs, Costa Rica has something to offer every wellness enthusiast. One inspiring story that highlights the power of wellness in Costa Rica is the tale of the Osa Peninsula. This remote and untouched region is home to the Corcovado National Park, known as the most biologically intense place on Earth. Visitors to the Osa Peninsula can immerse themselves in the untouched wilderness, practice yoga on pristine beaches, and participate in eco-friendly activities that promote conservation and well-being. Another captivating example is the experience of taking a dip in the natural hot springs found in various regions of the country. These geothermal springs are heated by the volcanic activity that characterizes Costa Rica. One such destination is the Arenal volcano area, where visitors can soak in mineral-rich waters while surrounded by lush rainforest and breathtaking views of the volcano. The soothing warmth of the springs and the surrounding natural beauty create a truly immersive relaxation experience. Now, let's delve into the top 12 wellness and relaxation experiences in Costa Rica, each offering a unique opportunity to unwind and nourish the body and soul. 1. Yoga retreats. Costa Rica is renowned for its world-class yoga retreats. From coastal retreats to mountain hideaways, the country offers a variety of settings where practitioners can deepen their practice, connect with like-minded individuals, and find inner peace. 2. Spa escapes. Costa Rica boasts an array of luxurious spas that combine natural elements and traditional healing techniques. Indulge in massages, facials, and body treatments infused with local ingredients like volcanic mud, coffee, and tropical fruits. 3. Eco lodges and wellness retreats. Retreat to eco lodges and wellness centers nestled in the heart of nature. Disconnect from the outside world, engage in meditation and mindfulness practices, and enjoy nutritious organic meals sourced from local farms. 4. Surf and yoga camps. Combine the exhilaration of surfing with the tranquility of yoga. Join surf and yoga camps along the Pacific coast, where experienced instructors guide you through invigorating surf sessions and restorative yoga practices. 5. Forest bathing. Immerse yourself in Costa Rica's lush rainforests and engage in Shinrin Yoku, or forest bathing. Allow the sights, sounds, and scents of the forest to restore your energy and promote a sense of calm and well-being. 6. Volcanic mud baths. Experience the therapeutic properties of volcanic mud by indulging in a mud bath. The rich minerals in the mud are believed to detoxify the body and leave the skin feeling rejuvenated. 7. Meditation retreats. Retreat to serene settings where you can embark on a meditation journey. Whether it's a silent retreat or a guided meditation program, these retreats provide a tranquil space for self-reflection and inner growth. 8. Waterfall rappelling. Combine adventure with relaxation by rappelling down cascading waterfalls. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you descend. And let the cool waters refresh your senses. 9. Thermal springs. Immerse yourself in the healing waters of Costa Rica's thermal springs. Whether it's the Tabacon Hot Springs in Arenal or the Baldy Hot Springs in La Fortuna, these natural wonders offer a therapeutic and soothing experience. 10. Sound healing sessions. Engage in sound healing sessions that utilize the power of sound vibrations to restore balance and harmony. Gong baths. crystal bowl meditations, and shamanic drumming are just a few examples of the immersive sound healing experiences available. 11. Beachfront yoga. Practice yoga on pristine beaches with the sound of crashing waves as your soundtrack. The combination of sun, sand, and the soothing rhythm of the ocean creates a truly blissful experience. 12. Hiking and nature walks. Explore Costa Rica's incredible biodiversity through hiking and nature walks. From cloud forests to coastal trails, these outdoor activities offer an opportunity to reconnect with nature and find peace in its embrace. Summarizing this crash course on wellness and relaxation in Costa Rica, we've explored the concept of well-being, shared captivating stories and examples, and listed the top 12 experiences that provide a sanctuary for rejuvenation and self-care. Costa Rica's breathtaking natural landscapes, combined with its commitment to sustainability, make it an ideal destination for those seeking to nurture their mind, body, and soul. And now, as promised, let's conclude with a soothing poem and a melodic song dedicated to wellness and relaxation in Costa Rica. Poem. In the land of serenity, where nature sings. Costa Rica's wellness, a symphony it brings. Yoga on golden sands, where the ocean meets the sky. Inhaling tranquility, as the sun bids goodbye. Spas that whisper secrets, in whispers so soft. Healing touch and fragrant oils, caressing aloft. Eco retreats nestled in verdant embrace. Soulful nourishment, in nature's embrace. Surfing and yoga, a dance of strength and grace. Balance on the waves, find inner peace and space. Forest bathing, a communion with trees so wise. Replenishing energy, beneath the open skies. Volcanic mud, a balm for body and soul. Detoxify and rejuvenate, achieving wellness goals. Meditation retreats, in silence we find. Inner stillness, where the answers unwind. Waterfalls cascading, an adrenaline's thrill. Refreshing the spirit, as we rappel downhill. Thermal springs, a healing touch from below. Bathing in warm embrace, letting worries go. Sound healing symphony, resonating deep. Harmonizing chakras, a lullaby to sleep. Beachfront yoga, a dance with the tides. Awakening serenity, where bliss resides. Hiking through nature's wonders, on trails untamed. Finding solace in every step, as our spirits are reclaimed. Costa Rica's wellness, an oasis so true. In this haven of tranquility, we find ourselves anew. Song. Verse 1. In Costa Rica's embrace, where nature's beauty thrives. We find a sanctuary, where wellness truly thrives. From yoga on the beach to spa retreats so grand. This land of pure relaxation, where serenity is at hand. Chorus. Oh, Costa Rica, a haven for the soul. Where wellness and relaxation find their perfect role. In forests and hot springs, on beaches and in the air. We find our inner balance, our minds and bodies repaired. Verse 2. The sound of waterfalls, a symphony of peace. As we rappel down their cascades, our tensions find release. Volcanic mud baths, a detox. For body and mind. In nature's healing touch, our spirits are aligned. Bridge. From meditation retreats to hikes among the trees. Costa Rica's wellness offerings put our minds at ease. In spa sanctuaries and yoga's gentle flow. We find a place of solace, where our wellness can grow. Chorus. Oh, Costa Rica, a haven for the soul. Where wellness and relaxation find their perfect role. In forests and hot springs, on beaches and in the air. We find our inner balance, our minds and bodies repaired. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our InHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.